Hey everyone, I'm here with the world's best esthetician, Chelsea.
Hi.
And we're going to talk to Chelsea today about how to restore shine and a good looking texture to our dry, lusterless skin. It's wintertime and our skin is getting really dry and dull appearing. What type of things do you recommend topically for people who come see us, Chelsea?
So I have this problem a lot with my patients during the winter time. Their skin is great and healthy during the summer, and then in the winter it just feels like tight, dry, flaky, irritated. One of my favorite products is Hydrating Cream by Zeo Skin Health. It's great because it has colloidal oatmeal, so it's very calming and soothing. It's actually great for patients that have eczema. It's approved by the Eczema Association. So it's one of my favorite products for patients. And I also have a couple others that are really nice for just general use that will also help boost the health of the skin. So Daily Power Defense is something that's really great. It has antioxidants, and really its job is to strengthen the barrier of the skin. So when people come into me and they have compromised skin, if their skin gets really irritated or reactive to things, or they feel like it's just really just damaged from years of sun damage or what have you, the Daily Power Defense is going to help strengthen it. So when it becomes cold out, they're not as susceptible to that excessive dryness.
Yeah, great.
And then I have another product by Skin Better Science. It's called Trio, and the best way to describe it is that there's 3 different ceramides. So ceramides help lubricate the skin, and so what this is going to do is it's going to help plump, but it's also going to help with the anti-aging benefits too. So you've kind of got 3 different products that do 3 different things. The best thing really for dry and compromised skin to get that like luster back is making sure that we're hydrating, making sure that we're strengthening, and making sure that we've got some of those anti-aging goodies in there to give that overall brightness.
That's great. And these are things that only people who come here can get. These things are not available online. These are things you have to go to a dermatologist's office to get.
Exactly. That's what's nice about coming here, is because we have these medical grade products, which means that their ingredients are actually much more potent than something that you can get over the counter, Nordstrom, online, anything like that. And on top of that, I know all of the treatments that go well with these products. So if we want to do a double whammy and work on the skincare at home, but also the treatments in here, I know a really great way to kind of marry those products together, so my patients can get the best results.
You know, that's a great segue, Chelsea. I was going to ask you, what type of treatments do we offer here at the Aesthetic and Dermatology Center to restore that dry, lusterless skin we have in the winter besides the products?
Exactly. So one of my favorites is Hydrofacial. It's great because it's going to give you a lot of anti-aging goodies, but it's also very customizable. So patients that are even rosacea prone or have a lot of redness or irritation, it's gentle enough for those patients, so that basically means that if you have compromised dehydrated skin or dry skin from the elements outside, it's going to give you that nice extra boost. We also have just really light surfacing treatments, things that won't give you any downtime or excessive peeling or redness, but it's going to give you a nice exfoliation to help kind of basically purge all the bad and increase and supplement all the goodies back into your skin. And when we do that, it just gives your skin a really great glow. It makes the skin healthier. When you have healthy skin, it's glowing skin.
That's fantastic. Thanks, Chelsea. We look forward to seeing you here this winter. Let's get rid of that dry, lusterless skin. Let's make it shine.